if you want to make animation, all that you do is go to here. I think this is a good motion study simulation. Now to make this is what you use for motion study, but animation wizard, it will allow you to rotate the model, okay, about y-axis. For example, one time, do for 5 seconds, start with 0, finish, okay? And then after this, you may want again that animation wizard to explode it, okay? And for the next 1 minute, start at 5 seconds, okay? 5 seconds. Then let's say after 6 seconds you make animation again, collapse, okay, and then you make this for 2 seconds, okay, and then again animation wizard, you can do. I think that's enough. So now let's play, calculate and play. And assemble back. I think we need to do assemble back, rotate, collapse, put it back. Oh, I think time we added was not enough. Animation starting from 6 seconds. Again, let's try it again. You can create a new one, okay? Create new. So animation, first rotate the model about y-axis for 1 second. Okay, start from 0 for 2 seconds only. Okay, in the first. Next, again rotate the model about y-axis, z-axis, okay. For start from after 2 seconds, again for 2 seconds. Okay, again start, next explode it for after duration for 2 seconds, let's say 3 seconds. Okay, start at 4, explode. Now exploded from 7 seconds. Now collapse. Collapse next for 2 seconds. Start at 7 seconds. Okay. Now let's see, calculate. Then you can save this as a video and use it for presentation. Okay, that's a nice tool to use. We'll use for motion study using mechanical component here. Okay.